This is Chad Thomas with Limitless Woodworking. I wanted to explain the material we use for our drawer boxes. So the sides of our drawer boxes are right here. We use 3/4 inch solid maple. I would say a lot of companies that build cabinets or build drawer boxes, you're gonna find probably 1/2 inch, maybe 3/8, and possibly up to 5/8. But you're looking at probably about this right here. So I do my best to make these as sturdy as possible so that they are never gonna come apart on you. Up here, you can see this is what we would use for the bottom panel in our drawer boxes. It's a 1/2 inch. And I would say that most cabinet companies are gonna use 1/4 inch. If you head up to your local hardware store, you're probably gonna find a 1/4 inch bottom panel. And it's probably built to fall apart on you. But we do our very best to build ours to last, and if for some reason ours come apart on you, we will send you a new one.